Hello my dear students. Now let us start today with organic chemistry. Now kindly open your NCERT part 2. Today I am going to start organic chemistry of plus 2 class. In organic chemistry, in class 12th there are the 4 chapters. Write down. There are the 4 chapters. The first is haloalkane and haloarene. Haloalkane and haloarene. Second is alcohol, phenol and ether. Third is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. And the last is amines and diazonium salts. So I will take this organic chemistry in a very collective manner. After that, after teaching all these 4 chapters, I will share with you some tricks of the organic chemistry. Now let us start one by one. The chapter's name you kindly write down. Your first chapter is haloalkane and haloarene. Second is alcohol, phenol and ether. Third is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. And the fourth is amines and diazonium salt. Is it okay? Let us start one by one. Haloalkane. What does meant by haloalkane? Halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Halogen is represented by X, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. And alkane means R. Write down. Haloalkane is Rx. And haloarene is when halogen is linked with benzene ring. So it's haloarene. X meant for fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So haloalkane Rx, haloarene ARX. Either you write ARX or you make a benzene ring. Haloalkane and haloarene. Next is alcohol, phenol and ether. Haloalkane and haloarene, Rx and ARX, alcohol, phenol and ether. Alcohol is R. When your OH group is attached to aliphatic carbon, it is your alcohol. Aromatic carbon, that is benzene ring. Benzene ring carrying OH group is phenol. Alcohol is ROH. Phenol is OH attached with aromatic carbon. And ether is ROR, maybe aliphatic or aromatic. Oxygen atom is surrounded by 2 R groups or 2 benzene rings or 1 R or 1 AR group. This is alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay. Now what is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid? All these have the common function group carbonyl. Aldehyde is RCHO. Aldehyde, RCHO. Ketone is RCOR. And carboxylic acid is RCOOH. It is better to write in this way RCHO. RCHO. The function group is C double bond O, carbonyl. And ketone is RCRO. Instead of H, there is a R. This is ketone. RCHO. If it is H, it is aldehyde. If it is R, it is ketone. And what about carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid is RCOOH. It's a carboxylic acid. Now see carefully. So aldehyde is your RCH. It's H here. In ketone in place of H there is R. And in carboxylic acid there is 2 function group. One is carbonyl and another is hydroxyl. So CO for carbonyl and OH for hydroxyl. So this means it has two function group, carbo and oxal. It become carboxylic acid. So all aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid have one common function group, that is carbonyl, C double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. So it is carrying two function group, carbonyl, hydroxyl. Carbonyl plus hydroxyl become carboxylic acid. So next is amines and diazonium salt. Fourth chapter. Amine. Amine is RNH2. It is, if it is RNH2, it is primary amine. If it is R2NH, secondary amine, and if it is R3N, it's tertiary amine. So three amines, NH2 primary, NH secondary, and N is tertiary. Okay, diazonium salt is it is your N2Cl when attached to benzene ring or with R group. This is your diazonium salt. It will come in the first chapter even. So this is all about your introduction of your 4 chapters. This means in this 4 chapters what we will study: the IUPAC names, preparations, properties, uses and commercial compounds of these organic compounds. Now RX, haloalkane, I'm repeating, ARX, haloarine, ROH, alcohol, AROH, phenol, ROR or ROAR, ether, and RCHO, aldehyde. In place of H there is a R. RCOR is ketone. RCOOH, carboxylic acid. RNH2 primary amine, R2NH secondary amine, R3N tertiary amine, and diazonium salt is R or AR N2Cl. So this is your first chapter, haloalkane and haloarine. This is your second chapter, alcohol, phenol and ether, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, and the last is amines. Let us start the organic chemistry writing IUPAC names. Write down. I am taking first of all IUPAC names of all these compounds. Write down IUPAC names of organic compounds. Now dear children, during giving IUPAC names, you know always we have to select the longest chain. This is the first rule. And second rule, you know, always give the least number to the functional group and go in a priority order. These are the few rules that you must have studied in class 11th, even I will take. Okay, let us start with the nomenclature. Always remember, this is your C double bond C. If there is any functional group attached with the sp2 carbon, any function, not only halogen, even alcohol, always called it vinyl compound. It's a vinyl compound. But when this is your linkage with next carbon to double bond, it is called allyl. It's a allyl compound. So again listen, sp2 carbon, when linked with functional group, it is vinyl compound. When the functional group is attached with the next carbon to the double bond, it's a allyl compound. Third number, they are very important, these 3 or 4 compounds. If your benzene is linked with the CH2 first, and then it is linked with some functional group, either halogen or alcohol or aldehyde, whatever it is. So remember, it is this portion, C6H5CH2 is called benzyl compound. BENZYL. It's a benzyl compound. Vinyl, allyl, benzyl. Very important, these three are vinyl, allyl, benzyl. Okay? So next is, if there is a 4 carbon with a double bond at the center, and this is your function group, it's a crotyl compound. Crotyl. It's not so important as vinyl, allyl, benzyl was important. It's a crotyl compound. 4 carbon, carbon bearing double bond in the middle, and this carbon carrying halogen or any other function group. It's a crotyl compound. Next is benzene linked with the CH2. I told you just now it's a benzyl. If CH and 2 function groups, benzyl, it was benzyl. And the last is, if it is your C, only C, and your function groups now 3 are there to complete the valency of the carbon, it's a benzo compound. So complete family is benzyl, benzyl and benzo. Very important is benzyl. C6H5CH2 benzyl, CH it is benzyl, and C is benzo compound. Let us start. Again, a new thing. If the function group is attached with CH2, if the function group is attached with CH, if the function group is attached with the C, to complete the valency, 1R will come, here 2R will come, here 3R will come. So this is your primary compound, this is your secondary compound, and this is your tertiary compound. CH2X, CH2 primary, CH secondary, and C is a tertiary. Primary, secondary and tertiary. CH2 primary, CH secondary, and C is tertiary. Let us start now. We're going to start C double bond C, single bond C, and this is my chlorine atom. Now I'm taking C double bond C, single bond C, and this is my OH. Now listen to me. Always remember, halogen group, halogen is less preferred than double and triple bond. But alcohol group is preferred than double and triple bond. So that's the reason. Because in this case, the double bond and triple bond is preferred, start giving number from the side where the double bond takes the least number. So it's 1, 2, 3. But in this case, 1, 2, 3. I think it's clear now. Double and triple bond preferred over halogen, but alcohol group and others group, they are preferred over double and triple bond. I'm not going to write the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is just comes in the organic chemistry to complete the valency of the carbon. Otherwise, it will waste a lot of time to write like CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, CH. I'm not going to write this. Kindly write yourself. Now, what is the answer? Now, it is 3-chloro, because at position number 3 there is a chlorine atom. 3-chloro-prop-1-ene. 3-chloro-prop-1-ene, and it is prop 2-ene-1-ol. So it's 3-chloro, haloalkane, haloarene, haloarine, haloalkyne. Always halogen group is written first because it is just side group. 3-chloro-prop-1-ene, but it's a prop 2-ene-1-ol. I'm taking again and again. After that, now I'm taking your benzene ring. If on the benzene ring there is present CH2, double bond CH, CH2 and your bromine, in this case your CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2OH. I think now it's very much clear. You know, in case of halogen, double bond is preferred. 1, 2, 3. Is it okay? But in this case, alcohol is preferred. 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer? In the first case, answer is 3. It's your 3 bromo halo. Always halogen comes first. 3 bromo. At position number 1, there is a benzene with a branch. 1 phenyl. When the benzene become a side group, it is called phenyl. 3 bromo, 1 phenyl, prop 1ene. 3 bromo, 1 phenyl, prop 1ene. And in this case, your answer is 3 phenyl. It's a 3 phenyl. It's a prop 2ene 1 ol. 3 phenyl, prop 2ene 1 ol. Here it is 3 bromo because halogen is a side group. So halogen will come first, ABC alphabetically order. 3 bromo, after that P will come, ABCD alphabetically ordered. 1 phenyl, there are 2 side groups, bromine and phenyl. In this case, is only 1 substituent, benzene. Bromine and benzene, 2 side groups. In this case, only 1 benzene. So it's a 3 bromo, 1 phenyl. It is just 3 phenyl. Rest is in the main line. That's a prop 2ene 1 ol. And it is 3 bromo, 1 phenyl, prop 1ene. I'm taking next. Next is, now I'm taking your benzene, CH2Cl. It's, it's a common name is very important. Its common name is benzoyl chloride. Write down is its common name. Benzoyl chloride. Benzene, when attached to the CH2, it's called benzoyl. Now, what is the IUPAC name? 1, just 1. 1 carbon. So it's a 1 chloro, 1 phenyl, 1 chloro, 1 phenyl, and up to 1 there was a numbering on, it's a methane. 1 chloro, 1 phenyl, methane. Dear children, it is a R-alkyl category. R-alkyl compound. And remember, I'm again telling you, I think you might have written methane. There are 3 categories: RX, haloalkane, or you may call it alkyl halide, common name, alkyl halide. ARX, haloarene, you may call it aryl halide even, aryl halide. There is a 3rd category, alkyl halide. So this is a 3rd category, it's a aromatic after that alkyl, alkyl halide, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, RX, ARX is aryl halide. When benzene is linked with aliphatic carbon, after that linked with a function group, it is called aromatic alkyl halide, alkyl halide, aryl halide, alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, we studied benzoyl halide, benzyl and benzo. Okay, now I'm taking the next is, now benzene ring is here. There is a chlorine and bromine is there. 2 different halogens are there. Always go by alphabetically order, 1 and 2. So it's a 1 bromo, 2 chloro, benzene. So it's a 1 bromo, not 1 chloro, because A, B, C, bromine comes first. So a 1 bromo, 2 chloro, benzene. Right? If both are same halogens, both are same, like both are chlorine, then you may start from any side. So it's a 1, 2, or you may call it ortho. O for ortho. 1, 2 ortho. It's a 1, 2 hyphen dichlorobenzene. D capital, first letter capital. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Is it okay? So it's 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Now benzene is linked with halogen as well as alcohol. And before taking this, I will take, when benzene is just attached with OH, always call it phenol. It's a phenol. Okay, OH is a group bigger than halogen. So 1, 2. So it's a 2-chlorophenol. 2-chlorophenol. It's a 2-chlorophenol. When benzene is just with one OH, it is a phenol. When with some other function group, it's called 2-chloro, 3-chlorophenol. Sometimes it is attached with bigger group. That is the acid. Acid is bigger group than OH. Acid and OH. Now OH will take number 2. 1, 2. Now when the OH will take number 2, when the OH is less preferred, it's called hydroxy. So it's a 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. It's 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. Because acid group is more bigger than OH group. Same. If your aldehyde come, same. Aldehyde is again big. So it's 2-hydroxy again. It's a 2-hydroxy benzene carboxaldehyde. Carboxaldehyde. It's a 2-hydroxy benzene carboxaldehyde. Okay, now go on writing, because first of all, two lectures of that is of 40-45 minutes of IUPAC names of complete organic chemistry of class 12th I will do. Now if it is CH3, now it's a CH3. Now if it is CH3, now OH is preferred 1 and 2. So its name is 2-methylphenol. It's a 2-methylphenol. It's a 2-methylphenol. Okay, next is, if there are 2 OH groups, now it's not phenol. Now because 2 OH group, so it's a 1, 2. Or you could write ortho, dihydroxybenzene. So it's a dihydroxybenzene. 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. So I am taking basics of the nomenclature today, and detail one by one of NCERT, very important part, I will take in my next lecture. Today I will complete the basics all. So it's a 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. This is all. Now, if there is single O, it is a ether. But if it is a CO, it is a ketone. Remember, it is single O, surrounded by CH3, CH3, surrounded by CH3, CH3. Listen to me now. This is CH3, O, CH3. This is CH3, CO, CH3. Difference, O, ether, CO is ketone. And now CO is included in the chain 1, 2 and 3. It's included. But it is not included in the chain. Which side? 1 only. Never include this number. 1. You will stop here. You will not go beyond it. So it's a 1-methoxy methane. It's a 1-methoxy methane. This is methoxy. Methoxy methane. But in this case, it is propane 2-one. Ketone is called one. It's a propane 2-one. So now I am comparing ether and ketone by taking few examples, dear children. I am taking more and more. Write down CH3, CH2, OCH3. CH3, CH2, OCH3 is ketone or ether? It's a ether. So in case of ether, you first select the longest chain. So it's 1 and 2. Give numbering to the side. so that the O is very near, right? So it's 1, 2. At position number 1 is a methoxy. Methoxy. So it's a 1-methoxy ethane. It's a 1-methoxy ethane. 1-methoxy ethane. Now same, if it is CH3, CH2, but it is COCH3. Now it is COCH3, it's O, it is a CO, difference, ether, ketone. Now it is included in the chain. You give numbering from the side so that it takes a least number. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you start from this side, 1, 2, 3. No, it will take the least number. So it's a butane 2-O. It's a butane 2-O. I'm taking more. Butane 2-O. Keep ether and ketone I'm comparing. Now again, write down CH3, CH2, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Now dear children, select the longest chain. In this side, right side is a small chain, left side is a chain longest. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. At position number 1, what is? It's a 2 carbon. It's a 1-ethoxy. Methoxy, ethoxy, propoxy. So it's a 1-ethoxy propane. So it's a 1-ethoxy propane. Okay, 1-ethoxy propane. But if it is CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. Now it is ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's a hexane 3-O. So O is ether, CO is ketone. I'm taking more, hexane 3-O. Now taking aromatics, make benzene ring, it's OCH3. Now I'm taking again benzene ring, making here COCH3. So what is it? O, ether, CO, ketone. So this is your 1. So it's a 1-methoxy. Ether is a side group. 1-methoxy benzene. ROR. R is longest, R is main substituent. This is small r. 1-methoxy benzene. And this is your ether. In this case, ketone 1 and 2. So at position number 1, there is a benzene which is hanging, which is substituent, which is a branch. Its name is phenyl. It's a 1-phenyl ethane, because your numbering goes up to 2 carbon, ethane 1-O. So it's a 1-phenyl ethane 1-O. 1-phenyl ethane 1-O. Now very important, their common names. Its common name is anisole. Anisole. And its common name is acetophenone. Common name are much popular than their IUPAC, both in this case. Acetophenone. So it's a 1-phenyl ethane 1-O, and it is your 1-methoxy benzene. It's a anisole. Again write benzene OC2H5. OC2H5. So what is this? This is it's a 1-ethoxy benzene. 1-ethoxy benzene. And write down its common name is phenitone. Dear children, write down the 2 common names of ether, anisole and phenitone. Methoxy benzene is anisole and ethoxy benzene is phenitone. Phenitone. PHANETOLE. Phenitone. Now I'm taking next ketone is CO. Now I'm taking CO, CH2, CH3. So you will give numbering this ketone 1, 2, 3. So it's a 1-phenyl propane 1-O. So it's a 1-phenyl propane. Now it's not ethane, it's a propane. It's a 1-phenyl propane 1-O. 1 phenyl. Very simple, 1 phenyl propane, 1 one. Otherwise, its name is propiophenone. Now, this common name is little typical. You need not to remember it. Only acetophenone is a common name, which is very much popular. Anisole and phenetone. I'm taking benzene. Now it is your benzene linked with your benzene linked with OH and OCH3. Dear children, OH is a bigger group, 1 and 2. So it's a 2-methoxyphenol. 2-methoxyphenol. Okay? So it's 2-methoxyphenol. Now I'm taking next. Take benzene. On benzene, there is present OCH3 and NO2 group. Now both are the side substituents. Alphabetically, methoxy, nitro, MNOP. So it's 1-methoxy, 2-nitro, NO2 is nitro, benzene. 1-methoxy, 2-nitrobenzene. So I'm taking basics only today, okay? Next I will take detail in the next lecture. Next write down CH3, CH2, CHO, aldehyde. Very simple, you have already done in class 11th. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon, it's a propanol. Propane 1-ul or propanol. It's a propane 1-ul. Okay, propane 1-ul. But if this if aldehyde is attached with aromatic, it's not ul, it's a benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Carbaldehyde. Same if it is attached with cyclic compound. Cyclic, not cyclic compound. So it is your cyclohexane carbaldehyde. You can write it's a benzene carbaldehyde, it's a cyclohexane carbaldehyde. But when it is attached with aliphatic, it's called ul. It has two names, ul and carboxaldehyde. Either carbaldehyde or carboxaldehyde, no matters. Now I'm taking there is a CHO, CH2, CH2, CHO. There are 2 aldehydes. It will take number both 1, 2, 3, 4. All 2 aldehydes will take number. Its name is butane. Now spellings of butane will be butane, butane 1,4-dicarb-diul. Butane 1,4-diul. It's simple ul and diul. Never be triul. Listen to me carefully. Never be triul. Ul when 1 aldehyde, diul when 2 aldehyde. Now I'm taking 3 aldehydes groups. It's a butane 1,4-diul. Now I'm taking CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CHO, CHO, CHO. Now there are 3 aldehydes. Dear children, it's a IUPAC rule. If there are the 3 aldehyde, those functional groups which always takes a number 1, if they comes 3 times in the nomenclature, they never accept any number. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's a propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxaldehyde. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxaldehyde. Now I am repeating the same topic with carboxylic acid because aldehyde and carboxylic acid is one and the same thing, copy paste. I am taking so that your topic get repeated again. Write down. Now write down CH3, CH2, COH, carboxylic acid it is. So what is the name? Acid is 1 time, 1, 2, 3. So it's a propane 1-oic acid. Write down. It's a propane 1-oic acid. Oic acid. Like it was propanol, ul, diul, same. I'm taking second number. Let it is 2. One more acid group this side. It's CH2 now. Now two acid groups on the terminals. Now numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Now acids 2 times. COH, CH2, CH2, COH. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a butane spellings. Full spelling. B-U-T-A-N-E. Butane 1,4-dioic acid. Butane 1,4-dioic acid. Oic acid, al. Dial, dioic acid. But if it comes 3 times, those functional groups, which are the main function, those functional groups which comes 3 times, those takes number 1 like your CHO, aldehydes, acid and aldehyde, these 2 especially. When they comes 3 times, C, 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 CHO, CHO 3 times, it's called carboxaldehyde. And same way, C single bond C, COH, COH, COH. Never take any number because they have 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In these 2 cases, the names are same. It's a propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxaldehyde or carbaldehyde. And it is propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Okay. Now same with benzene ring. If on the benzene ring there is present acid or aldehyde, it's called benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. And if it is in the ring cyclic compound, it is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. It is your cyclopentane carboxylic acid. 5 carbon ring. Cyclohexane 6 carbon ring. Benzene carboxylic acid. 2 acid. It's a benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid or ortho dicarboxylic acid. Benzene. Now I think it's clear. We have completed aldehyde, ketone, haloalkane, halorine, alcohol, phenol and ether. I am repeating again what I taught. Double and triple bond preferred over alcohol. Second, double and triple bond not preferred over halogen. Third is your ROR is ether, but when there is a RCOR, it is ketone. CO is included in a chain. Okay. Now fourth is aldehyde, RCHO aldehyde, al it is, or it's a carboxaldehyde. 1 time al, 2 times dial, 3 times it's a tri-al. No, it's not tri-al, it's a tricarboxaldehyde. Same. Acid, RCOH. It's a oic acid. It's a dioic acid, but never be trioic acid. It's a tricarboxylic acid. This is 6. If on benzene is attached with 2 times aldehyde or 1 time aldehyde, always called carboxaldehyde. Same with acid. If acid is there, it's a carboxylic acid. Either 1 time on aromatic carbon or 2 times or 3 times. I think it's clear now. Now let us start the nomenclature of amines now. Amines is primary, secondary and tertiary. CH3, CH2, NH2. 1, 2. It's a ethane amine. Ethane amine. But it is CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. So now it's a secondary amine. Whatever the small carbon left, whatever the small R left, make it in a group bracket and write its name in front. It's a methyl. 1, 2. It's again ethane amine. Methyl ethane amine. It is a secondary amine. NH2 primary and NH secondary. Now if it is CH3, CH2 and CH3 twice. Now it is NH2 amine. It is NHCH3 methyl amine. It is NCH3 twice. It is dimethyl ethanamine. Dimethyl ethanamine. Better to write N. N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. And it is N hyphen dimethyl ethane, E small letter, ethanamine. Again listen. Now I'm taking on benzene ring. This is your benzene ring with NH2. It's a benzene amine. Benzene amine. Benzene amine. Now, but if it is benzene NHCH3, it's secondary amine, it's a methyl benzene amine. Either you call N-methyl benzene amine. It's a methyl benzene amine. It's N-methyl, better to say. N-methyl benzene amine. Now, if it is NCH3 twice, so it is N dimethyl. And dimethyl benzene amine. Benzene amine, methyl benzene amine, or N-methyl benzene amine, dimethyl benzene amine, or N-dimethyl benzene amine. Now, if it is your NH2 and acid group is here, and we all know acid is the number one group, always takes number 1, 2, so it's 2 amino. Now amine become the function group, it's a side group, now it's a amino, it's a 2 amino benzene carboxylic acid, 2 amino benzene carboxylic acid. If it is aldehyde, it's a 2 amino benzene carboxaldehyde or carbaldehyde. 2 amino benzene carbaldehyde or carboxaldehyde. But if it is CH3, no, it is 1 and 2. So it's 2 methyl benzene amine. Say, if it is halogen, it's 2 chlorobenzene amine. Always. And dear children, always remember, benzene amine is aniline. Its common name is much popular. Aniline. Benzene amine has a very common name, aniline. So always call it aniline. So I think we have shared few common names today. Do you remember vinyl, allyl, benzyl, primary, secondary, tertiary, crotyl, and the next is your anisole, phenitol, acetophenone, benzophenone. And what is it? Benzophenone? When there are 2 benzyl rings surrounding ketones groups. C6H5 CO, CX6H5. It's a benzophenone. So this is today's lecture. I think it's a very little just basics of IUPAC name I have touched. And in my next lecture, I'm going to complete the complete portion of the IUPAC name. So get ready with NCERT part 2 in my next lecture. This part 1 is just simple basics of the basic. I've touched haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, and amine. And next lecture I will repeat all these things again. So get ready with NCERT part 2. Thank you.